Welcome to the world of culinary convenience, where flavor meets simplicity in a single pot. Today, we're exploring a dish that will revolutionize your weeknight dining, the one-pot chicken rice. This remarkable creation combines tender chicken, aromatic rice, and a medley of vegetables, all cooked to perfection in a single vessel. The beauty of this dish lies in its efficiency. By utilizing a single pot, we not only minimize cleanup, but also maximize flavor development. As the ingredients cook together, they create a harmonious blend of tastes and textures that far surpasses the sum of their parts. Let us begin with the foundation, the chicken. Opt for bone-in, skin-on pieces for optimal flavor. The bones impart richness to the broth, while the skin renders its fat, infusing the dish with savory depth. Season the chicken generously with salt and pepper, then sear it in the pot until golden brown. This crucial step creates a flavorful base for the entire dish. Next, we introduce aromatic vegetables. Onions, garlic, and bell peppers form the holy trinity of flavor. Sauté them in the rendered chicken fat until they soften and release their enticing aromas. This process, known as sweating, coaxes out the natural sugars and intensifies the vegetables' flavors. Now we add the rice. Long grain varieties such as basmati or jasmine work exceptionally well, absorbing flavors while maintaining their integrity. Toast the rice briefly in the pot, allowing it to become lightly coated with the flavorful oils. The addition of broth brings all the elements together. Use chicken stock for a rich, cohesive flavor profile. As the liquid comes to a simmer, scrape the bottom of the pot to release any brown bits. These contain concentrated flavors that will elevate the entire dish. Return the chicken to the pot, nestling it into the rice. Cover and let the magic happen. As the dish simmers, the rice absorbs the flavorful liquid, the chicken cooks to tender perfection, and all the components meld into a harmonious whole. In a mere 30 minutes, you'll have a complete meal that rivals restaurant-quality dishes. The result is a pot of fragrant, perfectly cooked rice, infused with the essence of chicken and vegetables. Each bite offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors, from the tender meat to the fluffy rice and the sweet notes of the vegetables. This one-pot chicken rice is more than just a convenient meal. It's a culinary triumph that proves simplicity and flavor can coexist beautifully. Master this dish, and you'll have a go-to recipe that will elevate your weeknight dining experience, impressing both family and guests alike.